Hey, welcome back to Whitetail Garage. This week we're going to take a look at the sun visor, the Homelink on this 2015 Lincoln Navigator. The light's currently not flashing. The vanity light on the mirror is not coming on. So we're going to dig in and see what we can figure out there. Okay, 2015 Navigator. If your garage door opener Homelink light is not lighting up when you press the button and that doesn't light up, I just all of a sudden the garage door stopped working one day. Notice that this wasn't lighting up. Check your vanity mirror. Is it lighting up also? Because it's probably not, which means you've lost power. There's a pigtail that runs up. This was actually surprisingly high up into the headliner and I had to fight to get it out. And the clip is really tough to see because of this foam that was glued over the top of it. Took me a while to fight and get that out, but then I realized that this wire was busted off. That's your ground. Then I determined that what they've done is the ground comes through the other side of this clip and is just run up against this metal bar. So all I'll need to do to fix this issue, rather than buy a whole new visor, is strip this back, run it up against that, press it back in there, check it, make sure it works. So before I press it in, there's just that stripped wire. I should probably solder it. The original wire that fell out of here when I pried this out you could tell it was tinned. So I should probably tin this, but I want to test this theory first. I'm not sure I'm terribly worried about tinning it. But you can see there's a little groove for that to fall in, which allows you to press that in and then fold over that excess over the edge there. When this is in, you'll see that you can see just a little bit of the excess wire hanging out. That's what kind of tipped me off that there was a problem there. Okay, as you can see, a little bit of excess sticks out right there. I'm just going to leave that exactly like that. Now my red wire is a little bit longer than my black one, but that's okay. All that's up in the headliner anyway, so that shouldn't matter. Let's plug it back in and see if we get something working correctly. Okay, so like I was saying, my wire for it, it should come out right here, and you should be able to access the pigtail right here from what I've seen, but mine was way back over here. And so I actually ended up pulling the excess out of the foam and disconnecting it back here. And you see that's the little tab you have to press with the screwdriver to get it to undo. So I'm going to feed the pigtail off of the visor back through here and then connect it under here and then pull it back up. Okay, so again, visor didn't work before. It's hard to do one-handed, but you can see that now works. That's all tension on that wire. We don't want that. Okay, reinstalled, and again, just to round that out, you've got 3 T20 Torx head screws there, and then you've got 1 T20 Torx head screw there, and that whole assembly will come down. But just to validate one more time, that is working, and again, working. Thanks for watching, everybody.